Take a look behind the scenes with IQ Glass and this drone footage of our site in Salcombe. The bespoke house renovation designed by architect Harrison Sutton is a modernisation and considered renovation of a multi-layered house on the cliffside in Salcombe, overlooking the harbour. Nestled between various listed buildings and in a conservation area, the building design looks to improve the interior layouts of the home and maximise the corner views over the river. IQ have provided a full range of architectural glazing to the house, including Keller minimal windows, sliding doors and high specification structural glazing. Even with the scaffolding still in place, you can start to see the building coming together, with the exposed riverside glazing designed for the harsh marine environment and the high wind loads expected. From the side angle, you can see the 3 stories of corner windows that are angled out towards the English Channel. These have been designed using Invisio structural glazing for its frameless design and the strength against the elements. You can also see from this drone footage the narrow access and steep slopes of the site. IQ worked closely with contractors WeRe's to plan and execute the installation and logistics plans. These site shots just give us a small glimpse into what an impressive build this will be once completed. Click and subscribe to keep in touch with IQ. Be the first to see the completed shots of this beautiful house in Salcombe.